Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about some of the products that I've been using from Wow Skin Science. I'm talking about their hair care products, specifically the onion black seed hair care range. I have 4 products from the range with me, starting from the hair oil to the shampoo, conditioner, finishing it off with the hair serum, and I've been using it for a while now. I'm going to share with you my initial review and my first impression about the range because I've used it for about a month. So if you're interested in this range, keep watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. I'm going to take you through the entire range one by one, but there are certain things that I want to talk about before we talk about each of the products in detail, and that is that the whole range, the 4 products that I have with me, all the products except the shampoo, they come in a cardboard packaging like this, which is really sturdy, and it is going to keep your products safe in transit if you're ordering online. And that's what I recommend actually right now, because online shopping is really safe at the moment, so everybody should be shopping online. Considering that we're living in the middle of a pandemic, shopping online is the safest method. I'm going to leave the prices and the links to all the products in the description box down below. Don't forget to click on the links if you want to shop. Coming back to the product, so the entire range has onion and black seed oil. Now, onion oil or onion extract, onion is generally very good for your hair. The sulfur that is released when you cut an onion, the thing that makes you cry when you're chopping an onion, it is actually very good for your hair. It helps cleanse your scalp. It gives volume to your hair, more bouncy, more shiny, and more voluminous hair if you regularly apply onion to your hair or to your scalp. But practically in real life, we all know that applying onion juice, onion extract, or onion pulp to our hair is really not that practical. Plus, there are a lot of chances that somebody or the other might develop an allergy. There might be a reaction, or it might just be too strong for you, and your eyes may start watering. There can be multiple other things that can happen. It might just be too harsh for your scalp and hair. So some things you should ideally leave to the experts and not experiment with something like applying onion juice or onion pulp to your hair. I would personally not do that, even though I want to do that, because I don't want to take those kind of chances. Sometimes all DIYs are not effective, all DIYs are not recommended. So I would like to leave certain things to the experts. I know that they have done all the tests for efficacy and safety. Safety is really important when you apply something to your hair, skin, your face, anywhere on your body. The product should be safe. So I personally feel comfortable applying something with onion on my hair rather than directly applying onion on my hair. The next very predominant thing in this range is black seed oil. So black seed or kalonji, I'm going to insert a picture here, is something which reduces inflammation, stimulates hair growth, and gives you voluminous hair. So onion seed oil plus black seed oil all combined, in total this range is for somebody who has thinning hair, falling hair, and who wants clean scalp definitely, but also voluminous hair, and who wants the hair to grow out faster and stronger and thicker. So that's what is my takeaway from this range, and that's what I feel is the best thing about this range, because the kind of lifestyle that we all have, we're living amidst so much pollution. Everything does affect not only your skin but also your hair. So hair thinning, hair fall, all of these are problems that are part of our life. You can't really deny it. You do face some of these problems, and you do need to find solutions. These products are formulated in the USA but made in the Himalayas, made in India. This is an Indian brand, and the products are made in India. They're 100% vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, and the products do not have mineral oils, silicones, synthetic fragrance, color where applicable, no parabens, no PEGs. So all the good things are present, like they're vegan, cruelty free, but all the bad things such as silicones, your parabens, color, all of those things are missing, which is really good. All in all, I think it is a very exciting and very promising range. Now let's get into the range, and let's talk about each of the products in detail. I'll start with the onion and black seed hair oil. Now this also comes with an applicator. Like this comes in a bottle like this. It has a flip top cap. You take some of the product onto your hand and apply it, or you can use the comb applicator. Clear runny product, runny oil. The oil has a lot of other things, a lot of other oils. It has onion seed oil, definitely black seed oil, we've already spoken about this. It also has sweet almond oil, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, Moroccan argan oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, and all of these things, they help in tame frizz, reduce hair loss, boost gloss, balance your scalp condition, repair hair damage caused by heat and chemical treatments. So there is a nice mix of a lot of oils which are really good for your hair and your scalp, and generally the length of your hair. Slightly different fragrance to it, a mix of almond oil and coconut oil. That's the kind of fragrance that I get from this oil. It's not a sticky oil. You apply it and your hair does not go all chip. It's easy to wash off. I like to apply it with the applicator brush that comes with the pack and leave it on for at least an hour before I wash it off with the shampoo from the same range. Coming to the shampoo, it comes in a huge bottle like this. This is a 300 ml bottle, and it comes with a pump, very handy to use, and I really like the packaging quality of all the products. The shampoo is a translucent one. Again, it has a mild fragrance, nothing too strong going on with the entire range. Take a little bit of shampoo onto your hands, onto your palm, rub it between your hands and apply to your scalp and your hair. And you just give your scalp a nice massage. Since it has no silicones, it does not lather much, so you'll only get a very mild lather. You don't expect it to be foaming up all over your head. It's not going to do that because it has no silicones, so do not expect too much lather. I have warned you already, because that's the kind of effect we all want from a shampoo with too much lather. But then you have to understand that something with no harmful silicones is not going to lather that much. Once you have cleaned your scalp, just wash everything off and prepare for the next step. Coming to the conditioner, it is a thick one, a very creamy white conditioner, easy to apply. Again, has the same mild fragrance. This one you apply to the lengths of your hair and especially to the ends of your hair, because that's where you get most frizziness. The packaging is same as the shampoo, so both of them together, the same packaging is running through the shampoo and the conditioner. This helps soften your hair, adds gloss to your hair. It helps really add shine to your hair, and also just makes everything very manageable, tames your frizz, generally gives you nice soft hair. It also repairs damaged hair from regular wear and tear, and it also helps in reducing breakage of your hair. So generally it's a very nice conditioner. Coming to the last step, the red onion and black seed hair serum. Now this serum has a very different consistency from all the other hair serums that I've tried in the past. It is a translucent one and slightly runny, but not too runny. Generally hair serums, they have a lot of silicones and they tend to be transparent and instantly leave that gloss effect. This again has no silicones and no mineral oil, no parabens, but I feel that the moment you apply to your hair, to your damp hair after you've shampooed and conditioned, and let your hair air dry for some time, that's when you apply the serum. Take it on your fingers, on your palms, and just run your fingers through your hair. When I apply this serum to my hair, I feel that my hair is totally manageable instantly. My hair is quite wavy at the moment. I have blow dried for this video, but otherwise my hair naturally is quite wavy, and the moment I apply this one, I know that my hair is not going to be frizzy. At least generally wavy hair tends to get frizzy a few hours after the wash. So with this one I feel really good. I look forward to the step because I know that my frizz is going to be controlled. Also I feel that it works really nice before a blow dry or something. I don't really need to apply any other heat protectant or pre-styling product, because this takes care of that too for me. I'm not into too much of styling at the moment because we are generally mostly home right now, but an occasional blow dry and you can see the results. I haven't used any other product and my blow dry looks good. My hair is not frizzy, it has been tamed properly, and yeah, overall a really nice product. So those are my 2 cents about the Wow Skin Science Red Onion and Black Seed hair care range, the oil, shampoo, conditioner and the hair serum. I overall really like the range. It has done a lot of good things to my hair and my scalp. Your hair feels clean, nice, taken care of, tamed, non-frizzy, and I know that in the long run I'm hoping that there will be benefits on the volume side also. After a few months of usage, I'm sure I'm going to see some volume also increasing. Overall, I'm really impressed with the range and I do want to keep using it for the coming months. The hair serum and the hair oil, these are my definite favorite picks from the range. Because I think they do a lot of good to your hair overall and combined together, but definitely the shampoo and the conditioner are really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found this helpful. All product links are going to be in the description box down below as always, and if you want to shop you can click on the links directly. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.